Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to talk about this latest update from Google AdSense. If you are someone who's doing blogging or WordPress sites, then you might have come across this new particular warning. Says the number of ads you can shown has been limited. So it's actually a recent update Google done on during the last November, December. So one of my account got affected by this issue, and we already solved this issue on a different account. So I'm going to share the step-by-step process on what need to be done. If you are getting this error on your AdSense account, let me first share how it affects your account. So you can see here, this is the performance tab, and the last 7 days. The number of page views was 414 and the RPM was $0 and the impression is 6. So which means the number of ads placed on your website has been limited. So that's what it does. Like the ad fill rate will get affected on your website. The ads won't show on your website, which means your revenue is going to drop completely to zero. Like these days you can see $0, but last 28 days we made like $1,400, and this is my last payment, $3,000. So let me explain what caused this problem and how to avoid it. So if you're someone who's not receiving any traffic to your site, or sending in bot traffic, or you buying traffic from sites like Fiverr, then you need to stop it, because if your site is not getting any traffic, sooner or later you're going to get this error. So try to send in at least 10 to 100 visitors per day. So that's enough to keep your account safe, so you don't have to worry about getting this warning on your website. Sometimes even you get your traffic from some good networks like Facebook or else Taboola or Outbrain, you even still going to get this error on your AdSense account. That's unavoidable, because Google will solve this problem in a couple of months. I'm sure about that, because it's affecting their revenue. So they will roll out some new updates, and this problem will get completely solved. So let me start to explain what need to be done after you got this error on your account. So it's a solvable problem, you don't have to panic. So the first step you need to do is remove the ad units from your ad units section. So inside AdSense, you can see here the ads. Just click on that and go to ad units section. So inside ad unit, you just need to remove all your ad units you created, because what it does is it will cut the connection between your website and your AdSense account. So temporarily AdSense start to think that you completely removed your website from the AdSense server. So there's no use in having an error on your account, so they automatically removes the error. Like within, you need to wait for at least 10 days, 10 to 15 days, because I'm not sure about the exact timing. Accounts I had, so it took like almost a week and a half to solve this problem. So just give it a 15 days time period when you start doing this. So once you do that, just leave your account for 15 days, and mostly this error will get removed and your policy center will go back to normal. So after that, you can create your ad units and you can place ads, and ads will start popping off on your website. This is 100% proven, because I had tested this on many of my friends' account and on my other accounts I hold. So the step 2 is remove the ad code. So you need to remove the ad code inside your website. Just go to your website, and if you're someone who's using ad inserter or other ad tools, just delete those plugins on your WordPress site, because it also cut the connection between your website and Google. So it automatically thinks that you're gone from the network, so it automatically removes the warning from your account. So do this stuff, and don't do all these steps on day one. First, just do the ad unit stuff I told you and leave the account for 1.5 weeks. If nothing has happened, just go to your website and remove the ad code. So this is going to be your second step. So if nothing has happened, the third step is, and just go back to your AdSense account and go to sites section. So it's going to show the number of sites approved. So you can see here I have one site inside this section. So what you need to do is you need to remove the site from your AdSense account. So what it does is it will immediately remove the warning from your account. But I don't suggest this, because so if you try to add your site again, so it's going to go through the review process and you need to wait for some time. So I suggest you to do the first 2 steps I told you, the ad unit one and removing the ad code. Just do the first one and wait for 10 to 15 days and do the step 2, and just wait for 10 to 15 days. So it will solve the problem, so you don't have to remove your site from the AdSense account. So the step 4 is reaching the support. So just click on this feedback settings, and it's going to pop up this one. Just write your message to the support, and this stuff does works too, because one of my friend does this, and his warning got lifted from his account, and right now he's having his ads live on his website and everything is fine. So do all these steps step by step. Don't do everything at a time. Just do the step one and leave your account for 1.5 weeks, and do the step two and leave your account for 1.5 weeks, and do this, and mostly your account will get back to live. And this method is really working, so you don't have to worry about this recent update. Mostly by March April they will solve this issue, and everything will be fine back again. And thanks for watching the video. That's it, guys. And if you have any questions, leave in the comment below. I'll answer your questions, and see you guys in the next video.